World War II. When you think of World War II, you might think of a lot of different things, but I want to focus on the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These bombings killed between 129,000 to 226,000 people. To this day, these nuclear weapons still remain the most inhumane and atrocious weapons ever made by mankind. So that brings forward the question, should we enforce a bill to eradicate nuclear and chemical capabilities? The answer is yes, because of fatalities, step towards world peace, and pollution. The first reason why we need to pass this bill is fatalities. One nuclear bomb, just one, has the capability of wiping out a whole town, killing millions, and jeopardizing the natural environments of our future generation and other animals. This problem should be way high on countries' list of priorities. In fact, the UN has actually made their highest priorities reducing nuclear weapons and adding prohibition to biological weapons, which both introduce the direst threat to mankind. Yes, wars will still happen, but the amount of fatalities that you get for introducing nuclear weapons will increase by 100 times. In addition, from the nuclear weapon being the most destructive weapon ever built, it is also the most inhumane weapon ever built. It is blatantly obvious that we need to pass this bill, because if we don't, in a couple of years, humanity might cease to exist. The second reason why we need to pass this bill is because of steps towards world peace. Nuclear disarmament is essential for peace and security. This can help countries focus on socio-economic development, human well-being, and prosperity. Weapons, also called arms, cause a lot of pain and sorrow. In fact, one of the main causes of international tensions between countries is nuclear warfare. Just think about it. Would you trust someone that has thousands of nuclear bombs and that can lead to mass destruction, or would you trust someone that doesn't have any nuclear bombs and is welcoming you in? It's a no-brainer. This shows that it's not that we should, it's that we need to pass this bill, because if we don't, humanity itself will cease to exist. The third and final reason why we need to pass this bill is pollution. Radiation released from a nuclear bomb has the power to cause casualties in an environment, impacting agriculture, natural resources, and demography over a wide area of time. Also, ionizing radiation could impact and damage the food and marine ecosystems and could cause genetic defects and illnesses. Just think about Chernobyl. Chernobyl wasn't even caused by nuclear bombs, and look what happened to the place. The radiation released by a nuclear bomb will be much greater than what happened at Chernobyl, which can leave a whole country flattened and plagued with radiation. Also, think about the sun. You spend 20 minutes in the sun and your arm and your whole arm gets sunburned. Think of a big, massive sun exploding right at your feet. You'd be burned to a crisp in a minute, and if you were even in front of that thing, the radiation would kill you. This shows that we need to pass this bill to not let radiation happen to the grass and let there be grass to grow, so we can actually feed our families and use natural resources instead of running out of the non-renewable resources and ceasing to exist by the year 2050. All in all, we need to pass the bill to eradicate chemical and nuclear capabilities because of fatalities, so we don't let anyone else die, to step towards world peace so we can live as a equal world and have the faith in humanity, and pollution so we don't let these animals die just because a person wants to make a point. Thank you.